Hi, I'm Hawken with Topdon, and today we're going to show you how to update your Topdon TPMS tool TP47 and TP48. Now, both of these tools are fairly straightforward to update, so we're going to take you through that process today. Here is a picture of both of the units, the TP47 on the left and the TP48 on the right. As you can see, they look virtually identical. However, they are different a little bit in features. If you are curious about the differences in features, please feel free to visit our website, topdon.us or topdon.com. We do have all of the details between each of the two units found on our website. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Update Tool link. So you can either shoot the QR code here with your phone, or with your laptop camera or any camera that can capture this, and then you'll be able to share the URL directly to the download. So the QR code will take you directly to the download. The link right here, topdon.us/pages/downloads, will take you to another page, which we will show you in just a moment here. So this is the download page. As you can see the URL at the top, topdon.us/pages/downloads. We're going to click on TPMS Update Tool, and what that's going to do is take us to a Google Drive link, which we're then going to hit download. After we have completed the download, then we're going to go ahead and go to our Downloads folder, and we're going to open up the updating program. All right, so it's going to take us through the installation process here. We're going to hit Next, going to hit I accept, and then we're going to install the program. Now, the installation was completed. This does need to be done on a Windows-based PC. It will not work on Macintosh, unfortunately. So we've finished that. Now it's going to open up the driver installation for the USB, which is what the system uses to talk to the TPMS tool itself. So we're going to install that as well. It's going to ask us to approve. We're going to say yes. We're going to hit install. We're going to hit finish. And we're going to hit finish again. Now this has been completed. We'll give it a moment here. All right, so now we need to find the application, and we can see it's right under the recently added here. Now we're using Windows 11, but you'll find a similar setup on Windows 10 and likely other versions of Windows as well. So we're going to open up the updating portal just like this, and then we are going to register, as we have not registered the tool as of yet. So we're going to take you through the process here. And as we're going through the registration process, we're going to fill in all of the fields. And once we've completed that, it's going to register the tool. So we've completed the registration, and now we're going to plug in the tool. The tool has been plugged into the computer using the USB cable that came with the tool, and now we're going to check the tool for updates. All right, we can see that it's updating the tool now. We've got our progress bar working here where it shows it's updating the software version and also transferring the data to the PC and then subsequently transferring the data to the tool. Now, it's important to keep in mind during the update process, you will also see on the tool itself that we do have an update screen showing progress right there. So we can see it's writing data to the tool. And also we can go back to the PC screen and see what our progress is here. So we're 100% downloaded on the files to the PC, and we're about 10% updated to the device. Now we can also see that our license for when our software updates expire is right here, 2028, January 3rd. So if you do have expired updates, if your tool has already been registered and you've used up your years of updates, contact your distributor and they can set you up with additional updates if necessary. So we can see the tool completed the software version update on the top progress bar there. Now we are updating the TPMS database. So that would be adding new vehicles that we do not have coverage on the tool as of yet. So that's obviously very crucial if you're working on newer vehicles. The tool may make some beeping noises, and it may also reboot itself multiple times when you are doing the update, as we can see right here. It is actually updating itself. You can see that we're writing data to the device. If we go back to the PC screen here, so we can see we're now done updating the TPMS database, at least the initial stage, and now it's doing an additional file download, and we're about 40% done writing the overall update to the tool. Now again, you will see the tool reboot multiple times throughout the process, and you will also get some beeps coming out of the tool. Both of those are completely normal, so do not be concerned if that's what you hear or see the tool doing as you're going through this process. Okay, so we've completed the update process. Now the whole process took us roughly about 15 minutes or so to complete, which, that's not too bad. Now remember, it's important to note that the tool will reboot multiple times throughout this process. It will also vibrate and beep throughout a large number of the updates. So nothing abnormal there, just something to keep in mind. So if you're hearing it vibrate or you're noticing it beeping, that is completely normal, so nothing to be concerned about there. Now, another thing is, if you do get an error code when you first connect the tool and attempt to register it, don't worry about the error with the registration. I was able to register it successfully. You noticed after it gave the error, it did boot back up and everything worked okay. If you do have issues with communication with the tool, it's also good to note that if you turn off the tool with the power button on the tool itself, and then restart the PC suite, this will fix connectivity issues most of the time, and then it will download the files and work correctly. The reason for that being is if you plug the tool in when it's already powered up, sometimes it's not able to put itself into boot mode to write the new data. So you want to power it off, then plug it in, then start the PC suite, and usually that will fix any kind of connectivity issues you're having. So we have now completed the update on the tool, and our tool is now up to date for 2023, or the newest models that are available with coverage on the database. So if you have any questions regarding updating the tool, feel free to reach out to us. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video on updating your Topdon TPMS, TP47, and TP48 tire pressure monitoring, reset, and service tools. Again, I'm Håkan, and thanks again.